Please subscribe and click bell button.
Next, electrical analogy of mechanical translation system. Force current analogy. So this is mechanical system, this is electrical system. So now suppose if it is x, displacement means now force in the dash part equal to b into dx divided by dt. So therefore here we have to write b into v. Then now this is mass element, F is the applied force. Therefore mass force due to mass element equal to Fm equal to m into d square x divided by dt equal to dv divided by dt. We know x is displacement, derivative of x is velocity. So this is acceleration, derivative square of displacement equal to derivative of velocity. Suppose if x is displacement, the next for spring, if it is having x displacement, we know Fk equal to k into x, but these two terms are in terms of velocity. This also we have to write in terms of velocity. Therefore, from displacement, if we want to get velocity means we have to integrate it. So integral of v into dt. So next, for electrical system, this is current, this is resistance, but here force current. So we have written the force equation for all mechanical elements. Similarly, we have to write current equation for this elements. So now I equal to, according to Ohm's law, V divided by R. Suppose the voltage across this element is V means V divided by R. So for this, current equal to C into dV by dt, because if suppose voltage across this element is V, suppose voltage across this element is V means I equal to 1 by L integral of dV divided by dt. So now according to force current analogy, so here force but here current equivalent. So now from this mechanical element, then what is the equivalent element for electrical? To get equivalent electrical element for mechanical element, what we have to do? First, we have to take all basic three elements in mechanical system. Then we have to write its force equation in terms of velocity. This is in terms of velocity. This is also in terms of velocity. This is also in terms of velocity. Next, we have to take the basic three electrical element. So for that, suppose here force current analogy means we have to write current equations. Suppose if it is force voltage analogy means here we have to write voltage equations. Then, so according to the basic equations, current across this resistance equal to this according to Ohm's law. Then similarly, current through capacitor equal to C into dV by dt. Current through inductor equal to 1 by L integral of dV by dt. This all terms of in terms of voltage. Therefore, simply we have to compare these two. From this comparison, here force equal to current. Therefore, in mechanical force, electrical current. Here velocity, here voltage. Therefore, this is velocity, this is voltage. Here dash part, here 1 by R. Therefore, dash part equal to 1 by R. Here for mass equivalent, in electrical capacitance. For spring in electrical system, its equivalent is 1 by inductor. From this two terms. Then for displacement in current analogy, we have to consider flux.